Hi guys, welcome back to another plan with me. Today we are setting up September, but first a quick glance at the previous month. I was pretty happy with my C theme and I really enjoyed the combo of gouache and watercolor. But I'm also really excited for September because I chose a pretty dreamy theme that I quite like. September is all about the moon, which means dreamy skies and starry nights. I love it. The cover page will be a starry and cloudy night with a bright and shining moon. To spare out the moon shape, you can use masking fluid, or if the paper is a bit too thin, you can use masking tape. I pasted some pieces together and cut out a circular shape. Now we are going to create our starry sky. Use a light color blue and a lot of water for the first layer. I want the colors around the moon lighter and the edges of the illustration really dark. This way it will look like your moon is really glowing, so work towards that. I create multiple layers of blue. This way you'll create more dimension. When you are satisfied with the look of the sky, let it dry. To speed up the process, you can of course use a hairdryer. After this, gently peel the masking tape. Clarify the edges with a gel pen. I chose a grey-blue watercolor to add detail to my moon. Now you can add stars with a gel pen or with white ink. I added clouds for more depth. I used white gouache for this. I make sure the cloud is really white and opaque at the top, because this is where the moonlight hits the clouds. Create a gradient towards the bottom for a more realistic look. To finish off, I use silver paint splatters in the color Moonlight from Coliro Colors. The next page is my monthly spread. We are going to create the same dreamy night sky for the top of the spread. I use a crescent moon for this page for some diversity in the spreads. Painting towards the edges of the paper can be quite tricky. I use a paper towel or another piece of paper to stop the water from running through all my previous pages. My tracker page has a starry night at the bottom of the pages. So first I'm setting up my squares for the habits and my chart for my mood tracker. For some extra decoration I made a silver moon and a star on a string. After this I created a sky with a lot of water and paint. Keep adding darker paint until you're satisfied. This way your white stars will stand out more. Last but not least, a similar design for my weekly spread with a night sky with clouds at the bottom and a silver moon with stars on a string at the top. And that's it. I hope you guys like this theme as much as I do. Want to see more journaling? Check out my previous videos or my Instagram Dutch_dots. Don't forget to subscribe and I would really appreciate it if you gave me a thumbs up. Hope to see you next time. Bye guys!